YesByte is a leading information technology solution provider with core competence in consultancy, market research, conferences and training, software development with a mission higher education accreditations like NAC, NBA, and the principle is inform, advise, educate. Let us share the future. Talk to us about your vision to help you. About YesByte Technology, the company provides software and outstanding technical support services for today's emerging technologies with unmatched customer care, service, and value for web services. The highest priority of this company is to provide customers with the latest information technology service solutions worldwide through best quality software with utmost care and service. The YesByte is aiming at delivering best quality software and customized services that reflect on the unique understanding of customer service. The products and services enable customers to come to YesByte confidently through email interactions too, and thereby prove to increase customer satisfaction. YesByte also provides professional consultancy with a highly qualified and experienced staff in all related areas of information technology, higher education accreditations like NAC, NBA, establishment of centers of excellence, incubation centers, funded proposals, publication of research papers by faculty and students, book writings, etc. YesByte ranks significantly on the highest and fastest growing IT companies. YesByte is dealing with Internet of Technology services, namely digital transformation like web pages, YouTube channel videos, web pages development with utmost satisfaction, web domain creation to host customers' pages. Also, specialists in personal profiles, company profiles, making them with quality. Also, YesByte undertakes the job even at short notice. YesByte cares your time bounds to complete the job. Now further, YesByte is dealing with software applications, namely web-based applications, software development with utmost customer satisfaction, menu-driven and a highly user-friendly manner development. YesByte is a specialist in commercial and technical domains for sustainable solutions, tailor-made packages. Also, YesByte is doing with quality. YesByte undertakes a job given at short notice, and YesByte is carrying your time bounds to complete the job in most cost-effective manner. And YesByte is also doing educational consultancy services, namely feasibility study on NAC NBA activities, NAC NBA MOOC inspection for institutions and preparation of report for best grade, Center of Excellence establishment, incubation center establishment, paper publication in Google Scholar journals by faculty, students, PhD thesis guidance, funded proposals like DST, RPS, etc., and consultancy proposals. YesByte also undertakes the job even at short notice. Further, YesByte is dealing with a lot of book publications, and presently YesByte has released a book on artificial intelligence, a book on cloud computing, and another book on communication with computers and e-business models, etc., data science through data mining, advanced software engineering, e-commerce technology, research methodologies, man-machine interface, and also Java programming. And YesByte is also dealing with a lot of training activities nowadays, and under the critical situation, certified e-learning professional skill development courses are available with this company. Namely, the trainings are in the domains artificial intelligence, cloud computing, data science through data mining, man-machine interface, e-commerce technology, communication with computers, e-business models, software engineering, research methodologies, Java programming. And These courses, you want to know the fees and registration, you can write to dakyes@gmail.com. That is docSSS@gmail.com. And you can also visit the SBITE website, namely sbyte.tripod.com, sbyte.tripod.com. Jai Hind.